Welcome to Yogi-zone. In this video, we are going to be talking about proper breathing techniques, which can also support the proper seating techniques, which we talked about in our last instructional video. Before we talk about proper breathing techniques, I want to tell you about the 4 main core muscles which help to stabilize the spine. The first main muscle is the diaphragm, the largest respiratory muscle. The second muscle is the pelvic floor, a muscular hammock which helps to support the pelvis and all of the internal organs. The third muscle is the transversus abdominis, the deepest abdominal muscle, which acts as a corset connecting between the spine and the abdominals. The fourth and last muscle that we are going to talk about is the multifidi, the deepest muscle in the spinal erectors, which wrap and connect between the vertebrae. Now we're going to talk about proper breathing techniques. First, start by taking a deep breath. Feel the way in which the rib cage and the belly expand, the diaphragm pushing down, and the pelvic floor expanding, allowing for our entire torso to fill up with air. Upon exhale, we want to feel the pelvic floor engaging and pulling up, the diaphragm also pulling up, the transversus abdominis as a corset pulling through, and the lengthening through our spine. Remember, muscles have the ability to also contract and also expand, and we want to feel that full range of motion in our proper breathing techniques. We're once again going to feel our proper sitting effortlessly connect with our pelvis and our spinal column. We're going to bring our right hand onto the chest, our left hand onto the belly, and we're going to bring our focus and awareness to our deep breathing. Closing the eyes, breathing deeply in, and exhaling. Feeling the expansion and lowering of the diaphragm and the pelvic floor. Exhale. Contraction. Releasing the hands back onto the thighs. It is important to note that this type of breathing has a huge effect not only on stabilization, but also on the nervous system. With the help of such breathing, we can greatly reduce stress, which is also related to the pain mechanism in the body. Just by using proper breathing techniques, even before we speak about movement, we can greatly reduce pain in our neck and back. Thank you for joining us today in Yogi Zone. We look forward to seeing you in our next instructional video.